Listen and repeat. You will hear 7 sentences. Listen to each sentence carefully. After the beep, repeat the sentence out loud. You have 7 seconds.
Welcome to our beautiful garden. Please enjoy the flowers today. Stay on the paved paths while you walk through the park areas. Do not pick any of the plants or flowers you see today. You may take pictures of the gardens with your mobile phone. If you need any help, please visit the main office located near the front gate. Before you head home, remember to place all your trash in the bins provided.
Take an interview. An interviewer will ask you 4 questions on a single topic. Listen to each question carefully. After the beep, give your spoken answer. You have 30 seconds per question.
Thank you for speaking with me today. Please think back to a memorable weekend activity you enjoyed recently, such as a trip to a park, visiting a museum, or learning a new skill. What exactly did you do, and what made that specific experience so enjoyable for you? People have very different ways of spending their weekends. Some prefer active hobbies like sports or hiking, while others prefer relaxing activities like reading or watching movies. How do you usually spend your weekends, and why do you think you prefer that type of pace? Now I would like your opinion. Some people believe that weekends should be used strictly for resting and recharging, while others feel they should be used to learn new things or be productive. Which do you prefer, and why? One last question. Do you think schools or workplaces should encourage people to pursue creative hobbies outside of their regular duties, perhaps by offering workshops or hobby clubs? Why or why not?